This is a project demo video for the Farm Labs application for StartX. So here's our first generation model called the Trident. Really custom built. You can see 3 sensors, 3 different heights. That corresponds to 10 centimeters, 20, and 30 centimeters. 3 different heights so we can see the water move through the soil. It's designed for easy installation. You can see, just kick it right in. Top piece is modular. Bottom pieces are all modular. Ultimately, the data wasn't significantly different enough to warrant this model, so we moved to the Unicorn. There's just one height, 25 centimeters was the most relevant we could find or determine. A nice stand for it. Again, the same modular sort of base here. We actually took this MCU and integrated it right into this system. You can see there's a lot of custom circuitry there, a lot going on. Some of it has to do with the solar panel charger. One of these units, or these units, are both good for to run forever. Interference. They're good to set up and stay forever. The battery is actually sufficient enough that with getting solar power at the rate we're getting it, totally good to run forever. If not, there is a charging port available, but that shouldn't be needed. Okay, this brings us to Model 3, the Mini. The idea here is that we have a sensor like this guy that attaches into here, and this box is a standalone big battery. This guy, using Wi-Fi, staying connected all the time, sending samples at whatever rate you want, can last for about 2 years without needing to be charged. Ultimately, we moved away from that to the Micro LoRa. Now this is a LoRa specific communication chip with a battery. We only need about 4,000 milliamp hours. You can see 4 amp hours, and that should last us for about 2 years as well. The box can obviously be shrunk a little bit. Same thing, you connect in the sensor. A lot less of this overhead circuitry board because we don't have the solar panel. And we just rely on recharge. Okay, those are our products in our development. Thank you. Hello StartX, here's the part 2 of our demo. This is our iOS app for iPad. You can see here we have all of the beds that we want to turn on and off, sensor readings, when to water, all this sort of stuff. We have data per bed. Yeah, and you can actually see our database change. If I turn on bed 7 here, you can see it update. If I turn on, bed 13, turn off bed 12, turn on bed 8, turn off bed 8, it's all synced up in this nice clean database. In here we have this is just historical data, this is the flow sensor data, this is our irrigation data, this is the current values, and these are just settings, how frequently you want to time and what sort of algorithm you want to implement. Okay.